Hi, I'm John Schwinghammer, the author of Purple Chips. Thanks for joining me today. First, I'd like to introduce myself, and then we'll talk about Purple Chips. I started in the business in 1984. I was a floor trader at the Montreal Exchange. Now I'm a portfolio manager with a major Canadian bank, where I manage money for families and for companies. Purple Chips focuses on earnings, which are the real determinant of a stock's price. Most investors rely on brokerage firm reports, which are less than reliable and usually quite biased. Purple Chips focuses on quality. It starts with a simple visual examination. Let's look at these two companies that are often called blue chips. And what you see here is a 20-year chart of AT&T where each bar represents the price trading range for that month. The next chart is Johnson & Johnson. And again, very similar. We don't get a lot of information out of this. Now let's make it more interesting. Let's add the earnings per share, which is the white line that you'll see now. So looking at AT&T, what we're seeing is that the earnings really haven't changed that much in the last 10 years. Now let's look at Johnson & Johnson. Here we have a very different picture. The earnings have been rising steadily for the last 20 years. This means that the stock price is in effect more predictable. These are what purple chips are. Now here's a few more purple chips to look at. Here we've got Walmart, again a very similar profile in earnings. And next we've got Abbott Labs, a similar picture. Purple chips are companies that have a history of producing smooth and predictable earnings. Without going into all the details of purple chips, you should read it because I'll show you why purple chips are the royalty of blue chips. I'll show you the 3 criteria necessary to identify purple chips. You'll learn about the psychology of investing and why it's more important to focus on winning often than trying to hit home runs. We'll show you how to identify great companies with a simple visual examination. Purple Chips will show you case studies. And lastly, I'll show you how you can actually buy low and sell high. Purple Chips is a must-read for anyone that wants to learn how to profit consistently in the stock market. I'm John Schwinghammer, and thank you for joining me today.